We're out here at the Rise Hollywood. Got a lot of activity going on. We got slab on grade going. We've got our second pour coming up of slab on grade of 5. Right behind that, we'll be doing more P1 deck following that. Got a lot of underground MEP going on, sump pits, main duct bank. We've finished up our Mass X, got into the concrete scope. We're about 90% of the way through our foundations. Got a little bit left over in the ramp area. Most of the vertical on top of that has all gone up. And we've done the first of our 5 slab on grades, moving to the second one, which we'll pour tomorrow. And we've begun P1, which is the deck, which is the second floor of the parking area. Well, this is significant, getting the slab on grade down, because now it gets us out of the mud. We've been hit by the rain quite a bit in the last month, and now that we're dried out, we're able to cover all this stuff up. And whenever it rains, we don't really lose as much time. You know, instead of having to dry out time or pump time, you go right back to work the next day. Doing the concrete operations, once it gets up out of the ground, above grade, you'll be able to start seeing some of the features of the building once you start framing, some of the angled fronts and the facade of the building, which will actually show this thing take shape. It actually looks like one big building right now, but once it gets above grade, it actually turns into 5 different buildings with a courtyard. Yeah, and it'll change the area down here. Most of this stuff is low rise over here, and this is going to be 7 stories, so you'll see it start taking shape. It's going to change the skyline over on this side of Hollywood. So one of the big things we're going to have coming up soon is we will be installing our tower crane, which will go right about the center of the building, so it's going to make us a lot more noticeable here. So the footing they're pouring for the crane is about 6 foot thick. It's going to be about 140 feet high, towering over the building. Getting to this point in the project has been a big deal. We've gone over some challenges with mostly logistics challenges on the street. Now that we've been able to start going vertical, it's actually a big deal for us. It's really exciting to see this thing coming out of the ground, and Bernard's putting their mark here in Hollywood.